Hi, today we are going to see how to remove background in Photoshop. First, open your photo that you want to remove the background. If you have complex background, then you can use pen tool for removing background, but as it is a simple background as white, so I will just select quick selection tool by click on here, and you can find select subject beside the select and marks button. Click on select subject. If you have simple background, then the quick selection tool and select subject will work finely for selecting your subject. After selecting your subject, click on this marks icon. Now it will remove your unwanted background. If you want to apply the marks, then click on this and right click it and click on apply layer mask. Now here is your subject without background. So this is how you can remove background in Photoshop. If you find this video helpful, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching.